Does reaching for something in the top shelf or bending down in the morning to put your socks on feel harder than it used to be? Remember when moving felt a little easier and more fluid? Wouldn't it be nice to get back to being able to move that way again, just making it a little easier? Well, today we're going to work on that together. And we're going to do some mobility stretches, and they're going to be seated, no equipment needed. Let's take 5 deep breaths, breathing into our nose and out our mouth. Ready? Begin. Last one. That always feels so refreshing and gets our body awake and ready for exercise. I'm going to do some shoulder rolls. Let's roll our shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And forward. Okay, and then we're going to reach overhead, and we're just going to reach with one arm and go sideways a little, bend to the side, and then reach, bend to the side. Okay, and then we're going to do chin tucks. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger and put it to your chin. You want a nice straight back. And then you're just going to pull your chin in and then go out. Lengthen your neck and back. Okay, very good. Okay, and then we're going to do seated cat and cows. And then we're going to do the reach overhead again and the chin tucks. So in the seated cat and cow, on cat, put your hands on your thighs here by your knees and just roll your back, sucking in your abs the best you can, and just push that in. And then extend up and back. And you want to arch your back. So we go in and then we come back up. One more. Okay, let's go back to our reach. We're going to reach and reach. Just feel that stretch. So now we're going to do the chin tucks again. Place your fingers on your chin. You're going to pull it back and then forward. Okay, now we're going to do the cat and cow. Place your hands on your knees and then pull that in, your abs in, and round your back. And then go up. And pull that in. And back. One more. Put our arm out here. Instead of grabbing the forearm, we're going to grab the upper arm. And we're just going to place our hand here and we're going to pull it across and then let the elbow bend. Keep your shoulder down and feel that stretch. Okay, good. The other side. So when you're doing these stretches, first do the first stretch, hold for 10 to 15. If you're not very tight, you can go ahead and do 20 on both stretches. Okay. All right, good. Just swing those arms. Do some wrist work because our wrists are really important, and as we get older, they get more stiff and sore, or maybe you've developed arthritis. This is really good to keep those joints lubricated and moving. If you stop moving because they hurt, then pretty soon you can't move at all. So let's hold this arm up like this and do some circles. And the other way. Okay, and then place on the back of your hand and pull down. And stretch that upper forearm muscle. And then turn it around. Make sure you grab the whole hand. And just go as far as it feels comfortable. You want just a gentle stretch. Okay, now you're going to hold the other arm and we're going to do the circles with the wrist. And back. And then we're going to stretch. Just like this. And then this way. We're now going to work our ankles and then we'll go back and do a second round just so we're sure to get a good stretch. Okay, so put your foot out here and just do some circles. You can even hold your leg because you don't want your leg to do this. You want to keep it steady. Do some circles. One way and then the other way. And then you're going to put that foot down. And we want to roll our ankle to the outside and then back to the inside. Out, in. Okay, now let's hold the other leg, do our circles. Other way. Then we're going to roll it. We're going to roll it to the outside and then back towards the middle end. Outside, inward. Going inwards a little harder, but as you do it, it kind of loosens up for you. It might even be easier to do it without shoes. You might be able to get a little bit more flexibility that way. Okay, and then let's go back to our upper arm stretch. Pull that across, bend the elbow, and hold. Okay, upper arm goes across. Very good. Swing those arms, just get it to relax. Okay, we're back to our wrist circles. Circle. You can even do 10 if you need to do more. I just didn't want to spend a bunch of time on the video doing a bunch of repetitions. Okay, and stretch. And the other way. And then the other side. And the other way. And then stretch the top. And the other side. Now, if you can't bend it this far, just go where it feels comfortable. And if you do it every day, you're going to get more and more flexible. Okay, that's great. Good job, you guys. More. So let's do our ankle rolls. And the other way. And then we're going to go the outside, inside. Kind of have to find the right space to put your foot, and then you'll see how it'll go better for you. Okay, let's do the other leg. And the other way. Okay, and then we're going to roll it out and roll it in. Okay, that's great, you guys. You're doing great. Try to do these stretches at least 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, so this one's interesting. You might want to scoot over on your chair a little bit. We're going to cross our leg like that. And then I want you to bring your leg up like this. And you're going to pull it over. And then you're going to look to the opposite direction. and then let it relax. And then we're going to ask it again. We're going to do 4 of these on each side. And 4. Very good. Cross our leg over, bring it up, and pull it this way, and you're going to look the opposite direction. And let it relax. And then ask it again, pull it. You feel that stretch in the glute right here? Relax. Pull it up again. And one more time. All right, guys, I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for joining me, and thanks for liking the video. And I just want to mention that I do have live training on Zoom that you could train from the comfort of your home. So if that's something you'd be interested in, I'll leave an email in the description, and you can contact me there for more information. So keep stretching, and we'll see you in the next video.